I am back.
Good morning here in Warsaw.
Back in studio in Denver. So good to see you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Nico Gietchev. I'm working on Angular at Google.
To NG Poland from my office in Copenhagen. Damn Corona times. I wish I could hang out with you in Warsaw.
Thank you once again for allowing 7N to be a proud sponsor of NG Poland.
Hello, JS Poland.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining my talk today about onboarding engineers onto your team.
Hello, I'm Shmuela Jacobs from Israel.
Hi NG Poland, and welcome to our next talk about...
This is a Q&A session.
Let's start with some really cool insights on Angular 11.
Hi everyone, I'm Jules Kremer. I'm an engineering manager at Google responsible for Angular.
I am so excited to share some details with you about the latest updates in Angular version 11.
Hi, I hope you're all doing great.
Welcome to my session Fully Zoneless High Performance Rendering in Post-Ivy.
You find all my materials in my blog. I've already uploaded it.
It's the first NG Poland, actually, since it started, that we're doing it online.
Hi NG Poland, I'm Eric Simons, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of StackBlitz, and I'm super excited to be here today.
Hello there, I'm Chris Heilman. I'm the Principal Program Manager for Developer Tools in Microsoft.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my talk on JavaScript code generation tips.
Hello, and welcome to Super Strength ESLint with me, Josh Goldberg.
Hey everyone, my name is Ryan, and today I want to talk to you about something I am very excited about, which is TypeScript.
My name is Giuseppe. I work for a little company called IBM.
Thanks to our sponsors, events like this are possible.
You can think about Auth0 like your authentication and authorization microservice, but it's built by hundreds of people with all the features that would normally take us a long time to build, right?
Hello from 7N. I hope you're doing well. I'd much more prefer to meet you in person in Warsaw as it was last year and in the previous years.
– 2020 virtual conference. All right, so see you there, and once again, thank you for joining us.